Get your race cars ready because this year's Seiko Supercars release is awesome. After last year's collaborative success, it's great to see another iteration hit our shelves here at Watch Depot. In this video, we are unboxing the SRPJ95K limited edition, which comes in this very large box. There's also two other special edition supercar watches, which will get their own video. I like how Seiko have made this wheel cutout in the top here, and overall the unboxing experience feels like something special. Inside the box we find the watch itself, a second strap option in this silicone band, and the texture here is reminiscent of a tire, which is kind of cool. A stainless steel buckle and a branded loop is also included on this strap. There's also a certificate of authenticity included here, which denotes which model you have. As you can see, this piece is limited to 2023 pieces, and we have number 262. Okay, enough about the fancy box. Let's take a look at the watch. So this is a Seiko 5 with the standard 4R36 movement, a movement that we're all familiar with now. 41 hours of power reserve and a day-date complication. Nothing too much to say there, a reliable movement nonetheless. It's really all in the cosmetics of this piece where we're going to find the appealing details. Cased in a gunmetal grey stainless steel, which is a fair bit lighter than say the Black Series Prospects stainless steel, but shares the same matte texture. This same coloured stainless steel extends to the bracelet and clasp, and overall gives a really tough look to the piece. Across the bezel we get a red and black colour theme with white markings. On here we find a matte texture, which is one difference to the special editions, which come with a hardlex bezel. Moving on to the dial now, and the most obvious texture here is the carbon fibre-esque dial. I'm really enjoying this texture. It offers a heap of depth and just looks great. You get it on the right angle and it really comes alive. Another detail here in the dial, which is different to last year's Supercars limited edition, is the coloured step ring, which includes red and white colours. Looks really nice and bright and definitely gives off race car vibes. A red second hand matches the rest of the red splashes found throughout the watch, and overall I'm really liking this year's design. Found on the crown is an etched Supercars logo, which is really cool, and if we flip the watch over, the exhibition caseback also has a Supercars logo printed. Of course, this is still a standard Seiko 5, so measurements include a diameter of 42.5mm, a lug-to-lug of 46, and a thickness of 13.4. Thanks to the full stainless steel build, weight clocks in at 170 grams, water resistance rated to 100 meters, and a hardlex glass is included. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Would you wear this watch? Would you buy it for a friend? Is it a good gift? I think so. I think it'd go great with a nice leather jacket, and if I'm being honest, this one here will definitely sell out since we have fairly limited stock available. So if you want to pick one up, just click that link in the description to head on over to watchdepot.com.au. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep notified of any new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.